button. So again, we're going to create an access list. So pasan sa usan na to ang original access list ni. So para pa no access list 101. Okay, do show run. No more access list already. Okay, so we are going to create an access list here. So sa itong buhaton, so access list 110. Okay, so ang atong i-block is TCP. Okay, so ang TCP atong i-block with the source address of 120.15.224.0 with 0.0.0.255. So meaning pasabutan na all networks will be blocked, okay, into that specific server there with the IP address of 155. That is, or pwede na ko ibutang host, okay, 155.78.248.80 EQ HTTP. Okay, so those are my command. Access list TCP 80 na lang. Oops, TCP 120 access list bogets nagkwanta, no? Access list 110 TCP asa itong deny hindi nga wala siya makakuha. Okay, deny siya. Okay, then HTTP enter. Access list 110 deny TCP 120 www na maglibog ko ni permanente niya. Okay, www is an HTTP. HTTP is the protocol. Mali siya niyang counterpart in a what they call this, in a access list. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to permit the FTP. Okay, so access list 110 permit, then butang o TCP and 120.15.224.0 0.0.0.255 to host of 155.78.248.83 na ganyan siya. Okay, what we are going to do is to put now the access list of this one, access list of the router there. So config T, then we are going to what we call this, to create the HTTP the access list command. Okay, so access list 101 and deny. I-deny na to si TCP with the IP address or with the network address of 120.15.224.0, okay, with a 0.0.0.255. So tanan networks yung i-block to the host address pointing to that server, and that server has an IP address of 155.78.248.83, equivalent to World Wide Web or to port 80. Okay, then sunod, you are going to create an access list permit TCP same to the host address and port 21 or FTP. Okay, enter. So explicit deny na tanan. Now once you have this command, you go to your port, this one, then that means you apply upon int se0/0/0 so that you can apply the access list there. So kanato IP access group 101 and in there. Okay, so let's try to access the website first. Close this one. Okay, www.area2.com. So tanang network, so kaniba makakuan dito, maka-access ba sila dire. Let us try www.area2.com. there, ka-access siya. About area1.com, did we block area1.com? No, i-block mo na to si area1.com dito sa PCAS since naatay what we call this an access list here. So ako sa pass forward. Okay, dili na siya ka-ping. Tingnan naman ang kaning network karon ato na magi-block siya dito tanan. Wala man ta nag-ingon dito og i-permit na to ang IP, right? So wala man ta nagsulti dire sa ato ang access list to permit na IP. Now kung sayo pa to ang access list dire, pasabotan na dito tawag gani mag-down na to mga networks. Okay, sige, so let's try to configure the access list that will block the website from accessing this part here, and still FTP can be used at the other side. So access list 110, then deny.